Good day and welcome to this quick SigmaNEST tutorial. Today I will be taking you through how to edit your sheet sizes. By doing this, you will be able to change your layout properties for your task sheets on the fly. So as I can see, I did not have enough space on my sheet for all my parts. So I can simply go to Parameters, and from here I can change my sheet length and width. Alternatively, I can look for the layout properties. From here, I can change my sheet size, and SigmaNEST will automatically apply those changes. Alternative to that, I can right-click on my task sheet and look for layout properties and change them from here as well. Once you are satisfied with the changes you have applied, simply Renest and as you can see, I now have a new nesting with my updated sizes, and all my parts have fit onto the sheet. Thanks for watching.